Hello and welcome. You're looking to the south. The tree line of Vashon Island. GPS coordinates are here, and we take a look at the seafloor. We have two bright, kind of a pinkish, purplish color V in the screen. This is called our sewer cam, and we're looking for sewer that's on the seafloor in Puget Sound running along Kitsap County shoreline. Here we've come across a derelict boat. Not sure how long it's been on the bottom. I'm looking for numbers on the bow. Do not see them. Looking for pollutants around the area. Didn't see really too much there. Another shot here with 4K, a little bit higher resolution. You notice that you don't see the pollutants at all. This would be like a typical picture that you would see, and it gives you a better idea with a little bit more clarity on what's happening with the seafloor itself, as far as the growth of our plants that are into that sand area here. It doesn't look to me that the boat is causing too much problem. Maybe one day it'll just become a fish habitat. Now we're going to slow the camera lens down somewhat, and I want you to focus on the amount of fish that are swimming in front of this shot. It takes a specialized filter system that we've developed at TFR to get this kind of photo for the researchers that are involved in helping Puget Sound become cleaner, more bright, and better understanding for the public. I get involved so much with shooting these kind of shots, and as you see, look at the fish here. Now, if I had no filter on this and shooting at a normal speed, you wouldn't see any of that. Today's technology has helped us so many ways to give us the opportunity to see a shot like this in our waters of our Northwest. And as a master contractor in the state of Washington, my job is to look for derelict crab pots, ghost nets. Of course, you know that. I'm the ghost net guy of Washington State. The boat here, though, doesn't look to me to be in too bad a shape. I don't know how long it's been down. I know that there's no motor on the back of it. Crazy what you can see with these underwater cameras. Thank you, everyone, for watching. And if you've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you to Doc Sees Under Puget Sound. And if you want a little bit more information, maybe on some salmon fishing and different things we're doing, swing over to TM Key Film, and you'll get some good salmon fishing information there. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.